It's recycle time. It's recycle time. Chat, 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 chat. It's recycle time. Hello, loves. Amores míos, how are you? Take a look at this beauty right here. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. It is time for me to recycle. What I like to do is save as much as I can for recycling. A lot of this here is glass. There's some plastic. There's some batteries. But we are going to take this to Mom's Organic Supermarket because they do have a very nice recycling system there. Love this kombucha, by the way. If you want to taste delicious and tasty kombucha, try the Synergy Raw Kombucha in Guava Goddess. I swear that's my favorite. I have a little bit of plastic here from the cleanser. Love myself some pickled ginger. I have a wallflower here, you guys, and what else I have a beauty product. This is retinol. I have a whole bunch of things. Oh, my favorite marmalade. Yes. You want to have good marmalade, you buy Bon Maman. It is what it is. What is this? Let me see. Oh, pepperoncinis. Love myself some pepperoncinis. So I have a lot of things here. They are clean, and I'm just gonna put them in this brown bag and take it over to Mom's. I'll see you guys later. Okay, you guys. So I'm here at Mom's. Here are all our little sections for recycling. I'm just putting my glasses here in the lingo section. I already put my batteries in the battery section over here. So we're just doing our part. Almost all of that is mine. It's so embarrassing. So embarrassing. Here we go. Bye, baby. And voila. Okay, are we done? We're done. Okay, so you can put your batteries, your glasses, cell phones, corks. Well, cork recycling is on hold due to recycling. Shoe recycling is also on hold. You can recycle your tablets here. Look at all the recycling changes for 2020. Beep, 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 beep. Awesome. There's even a compost here. Isn't it great? I'm going to do one more thing. Wait and see. Okay, guys, so I'm at Mom's Supermarket, and I have one last mission here, which is to household cleaners, detergents, and soap. Here's detergents and soaps, and you can get anything by the bulk. And I just brought my own little, already recyclable little thing. And what am I gonna get? Am I get the oh, well, I'm not in for laundry detergent. I want dishwash soap. So I got the lavender one. This is a $3.49 a pound. I don't like the smell of bergamot. No. Hand soap, lavender. All-purpose cleaner, lavender. Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, lavender. Sun and Earth, all-purpose cleaner. Dish soap, dish soap, dish soap. Sun and Earth hand soap. Sun and Earth hand soap. I'm looking for dish soap. I'm going to go for which dish soap? Am I gonna go for the lavender or the citrus? I do love lavender, don't you? Okay, you guys, so I went with the Sun and Earth dish soap for $1.99 a pound. All I have to do is push and see where we're at. We'll see. Let's go. Okay, I'm changing my strategy and using my big thumb because I'm tired, but we're almost there. We're almost at the goal. Deep. Careful. Shit, that was fun. Careful. Yeah, baby, we're gonna leave it at that. But I love this place, you guys, because you can get a lot of things if you bring your own package. You could get your apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar, your extra virgin olive oil. You could get honey, 2 types of honey. You can get your oats. You just weigh your stuff right there. You can get beans, lentils, red lentils, lentil autumn blend. You can get a lot of delicious stuff, and with no need to purchase a whole container. Look at this. You can get spaghetti, almonds, anything you want. So it's really cool. You can get herbs and spices too. It's amazing. So you can get, I don't know, anything from Sichuan, white pepper, veggie pepper, whatever that is, powdered mace, Cajun seasoning, mustard seed, Just bring your own little things. You can get stir-fried blend mushrooms, porcini mushrooms, portobello mushrooms. It's amazing. Evidently, you can't get everything by bringing your own little thing, but it's a start. I love this store. I'll see you guys later. Okay, you guys, I just got in my car, just finished rubbing alcohol on my hands. Thank God, we have to protect ourselves from the COVID. I wanted to thank you for coming with me to recycle my glass and plastics. Thank you very, very much. If you enjoyed the video, please thumbs it up. Please subscribe. Please share if you want to. However, if there's one lesson to be learned here is that I hope that I have inspired you at least a tiny bit in getting into recycling. It's not difficult, and it's really just a run to the grocery store. And if you think recycling is a burden, which I don't think it is, I would recommend you try to find a way to make recycling part of your schedule. You saw I had a lot of glass accumulate. I got off a little early this afternoon from work and I said, you know what? I need dishwasher soap. I'm gonna go ahead and get my dishwasher soap without buying any additional plastic, and I'm also going to get rid of my filthy glass. And that's what I did here at Mom's Organic Supermarket. I'm not sure if I showed you this already, but the total cost for refilling this dishwasher soap container was $7.22, which is a steal. Honestly, this container I think cost me between $15 to $20, and I'm very happy. I'm not putting out an additional bottle of hard to recycle plastic. And you know what, it says it smells citrusy, but oh my god, it smells so good. I might get the lavender next time, I don't know, but that is that. Go recycle. Your pocket will appreciate it. Reuse as much as you can. You know what, you guys, I thought I was going to be able to find body wash. I love this body wash. I just don't like the plastic. This is what I don't understand. Like, why can't all stores like Target have those big containers that I showed you in the store, and just have me pull up to Target, go to Method Body and say, hey, I want to refill this, refill, and that's that. Why keep on putting out plastic and plastic and plastic and plastic and plastic and plastic? It makes no sense. It's unsustainable. So maybe Method Body Wash you would learn from Mom's Organic Supermarket. Besitos, mis amores. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the content. Share, like, leave me a comment. Let's have fun together. Muchas gracias, and till the next time. Bye.